You meet at a time of great challenge and transition. Our world faces complex realities, from joblessness to inequality to climate change and instability. Many people are disillusioned. There is a distrust in institutions. To help build a future of peace, prosperity, freedom, and justice, I have set out an action agenda that focuses on 5 imperatives: achieving sustainable development, preventing conflicts, damage from disasters and human rights abuses, building a more secure world, supporting countries in transition, and doing more with and for the world's women and youth. You in this audience have a crucial role to play. You are part of the largest generation of young people our world has ever known. Yet, opportunities are falling short. Youth unemployment rates are at record levels. We must do more to help young people make the most of their enormous potential. We'll help you strengthen your negotiating skills. It will offer insights into what it takes to achieve progress and build consensus. But I hope you will act as if you are dealing with the real and serious problems we are facing today around the world. This will truly help you cultivate your capacity as future leaders. The United Nations has never been more important or more in demand. Together, we have a moral and political responsibility to meet the expectations of the world's people. The world needs you to organize, to mobilize, to raise awareness through Facebook and Twitter, to make your voices heard. This is an era of uncertainty, but also one of profound opportunity for individuals to make a difference. Help us build the future we want. I wish you great success.